guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recreating a Kat Von D full face of makeup for you. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. So I've already gone ahead and applied some moisturiser to my skin. I'm going to take a primer now, and this one is the Hydrating Primer Base by Kat Von D, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to take my foundation by Kat Von D, and this one is in Light 43 Warm. So to set that foundation, I'm just going to take a setting powder in translucent, which is this one here. So I've just gone ahead and filled my eyebrows in off camera. I'm going to take the Shade and Light Contour Palette, which is this one here. And I'm going to take a combination of this shade and this shade to contour with. So next I'm just going to take the highlighter, and I'm just going to take this banana shade here. So I've just gone in with a different blusher just because I don't have one from the Kat Von D range. I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette now. This one is the Shade and Light on Eye Contour palette, which is this one here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see what I am doing on the eyes. So I'm just going to take this warm light peach shade here. So next I'm just going to take this shade. So next I'm just going to apply the tiniest amount of this deeper brown shade. The Chrysalis eyeshadow palette, which is also from Kat Von D, and I'm going to take this glittery shade here. So next I'm just going to take the Tattoo eyeliner, and this is in Trooper Black, and it just looks like that. So I'm just going to head and apply some false eyelashes off camera. I'm going to go in now with a lipstick, and the lipstick I'm going in with is called Lolita, and it just looks like that. And I'm going to go in over that with a lip gloss in the same shade. So that is the end result, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!